Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening Find My and confirming you're signed into the same Apple ID. This gives you access to your AirPods' last known location. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location on your device so tracking data updates in real time. Make sure the case has some charge if you can. It helps reconnect. Check the timestamp and map pin. This tells you where to start your search and why you should go there first instead of searching randomly. Next, tap Play Sound and Find My. You'll hear a chime if an AirPod is reachable, which is fast and decisive. If you have a compatible iPhone, use precision finding. This provides direction and distance, so follow the arrow and watch the meter. It narrows down a room to a few feet. Move methodically as you follow it. Scan seating crevices, clothing pockets, and appliance gaps. Make sure to pause and listen. Sometimes the sound is faint, so patience matters. To finish, retrace your most recent movements and sweep the last seen area carefully. Dump laundry piles and look under furniture. If an AirPod is offline, use the Find My Last Seen location and enable Lost Mode so you get notifications if it reconnects. Also check other devices signed into your Apple ID. Sometimes a Mac or Apple Watch sees them when your phone doesn't. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing shows, scan with a Bluetooth utility or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.